All right. So I noticed that some of you did attempt the questions for today's lesson. Thank you very much. And I hope you would have benefited. Now, again, after this session, there will be the additional questions that I always go through with you that you can download and try. Okay. Excuse me. Can you all turn on your cameras, please? Oh. Okay. So for today's lesson, question number 1. Most of you got the answers right. So I'm just going to go through anyway, even though I know most of you. Question number 1 and 3A. Most of you got it. Hang on, I'm just admitting some more of your friends. Okay. Right. Okay. Now, question 1. Toby paid $153 for 3 cats and a pair of jeans. Okay. Now, so from here, this is the only information we have. 3 caps plus jeans is equals to $153. We don't have any other information. Okay. Now, and we know that the price of the cap was, so 3 unit for caps and 8 unit for the price of a pair of jeans. So if 1 cap, 3 units, 1 cap, that means 3 caps would cost 9 unit. So we have this to be 9 unit, replace it. And a pair of jeans cost 8 unit, so $153. So that means 17 unit is 153. So 1 unit will be 153 divided by 17 to give me $9. So how much did Toby pay for the pair of jeans? So the pair of jeans is 8 unit to give me 17. Now, for this question, you can solve it in any way that you are most comfortable with, right? What I'm showing you is just an example of how you can solve it by using units, okay? By using units. All right. 72. What is that, Brian? Okay, hang on, let me. Okay. Sorry, 8 times. Eh? Sorry, not 8 times 9. 8 times 17. Eh? What went wrong? So how much did Toby pay for the pair of jeans? Would be, oh yes, thank you, Brian. It's times 9 to give me $72. Thank you. Okay. So this will be $72. Okay, thank you, thank you. All right. I was wondering what you were referring to. Okay, now, so let's look at question number 2. So in the diagram, PQRS is a square. So because it is a square, I'm gonna highlight the lines. Now, from here, I know that, sorry, I'm just distracted with people coming in. Okay, so from here, okay, we know that to find this angle, to find this angle here, how do I find this angle here? Anyone? Okay, now, we know that this is a PQRS is a square and QJKL is a rectangle, but the corners are all right angles, right? The corners are all right angles. Okay. So, which means that I'll be able to find this angle here that I'm going to shade so that you can see, because it's too small. Okay, I'm going to find this angle here. Okay, how do I do that? Because I know that this is 90 degrees. So all the way here would be 249 degrees plus 90. So that's all the way, right? Okay. Now, for those of you who are not able to do this question, let me see who is not able to do this question. Kian. Okay, Kian. Just take note, Kian. All right. So you have 249 plus 90 to give me 339 degrees. So to find this angle here, which is angle LQP, will be go to 360 minus 339 to give me 21. So this shaded triangle, this shaded angle here is 21. So we can do the same for the angle on this side, which is equals to, what do we have? It's also the same, 21 degrees. Okay. So with that, to find this angle, which is angle PQJ, all we need to do is just take, wait, I'm going to highlight it. I just have to take one of them. Because the total angle is 90 minus 21 to give me 69. Okay, so that's what we have. All right. Questions, anyone? Okay. Next question. Question 3. Again, you must read the question to see what are the information given to us. So we know that CXYZ is a parallelogram and AB equals to BC. So CXYZ, this is a parallelogram. And AB is equals to BC. So I mark that up to say that this angle here, angle BAC, must be equal to angle BCA. Okay, so because of this, the two angles are equal. That triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. So triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Okay, ABC is an isosceles triangle. So you're supposed to find angle. So I have ABZ and XYZ. So angle YZC. YZC, which is this angle. No, because it is a parallelogram. So part A, angle YZC is equals to 180 minus 52 to give me 128. Thank you, Jeremy. So this is 128 degrees. Okay? Because it's a parallelogram, so, and because it's a parallelogram, that means between the parallel lines, if you have A and B, angle A plus angle B must be equal to 180 degrees. Okay, so this is your 120 degrees. Okay, so you're supposed to find angle ZBC. ZBC, which is this angle. Okay. Now, I know that they tell us that AZC. They tell us that these two lines, let me see, they tell us that these two lines these two lines is a straight line. Okay, so this line and BZY. So this line and this line, they are straight line. They tell us this information for a reason. The reason being, they want to tell you that this angle, that means angle AZB, must be equal to angle ZYZC. Angle YZC. They're saying that this angle are equal to each other. Why? Because it is an isosceles, vertically opposite angles. Because it is an vertically opposite angles. Okay? So that's the property that they want to find out so that we can find angle BAC. Okay? Angle BAC is equals to 180 minus 128 and 28 to give me that small angle there, which is angle BAC, to give me 24 degrees. Okay, so if that's 24, so if this is 24 degrees, that means this is also 24 degrees. So, since these two angles are 24 degrees, that means I'll be able to easily find angle ZBC because sum of angles in a triangle is equals to 180, right? So, angle ZBC will be, I take 180 minus 24 and 24 as well as 28 to give me 104 degrees. Okay, so take note, ABC. Yes, you can also find that. You can also find angle ABC. Angle ABC is equals to 180 minus 24 and 24. You can also do this. Okay, so 180 minus 24 to give me 124 give me 132. So, but because you want to find angle ZBC, it's just take 132 minus the 28 degrees to give me 104. Also can. So either way, you will also arrive at the same answer. So take note, depending on what property you are using to solve the question. Okay? Is that okay? All right. Question number 3. Number 3 is an algebra question. Okay? So it says here, Jocelyn had a piece of ribbon, had 17 ACM long. She formed a triangle with sides measuring A5 and 30. Okay, so let me just quickly sketch. So this is what you will want to do because it's just based on perspective. Doesn't matter how the triangle looks like. A triangle is a triangle, okay? So you have A, 3A, sorry, not 3A. A, 5A, and 30 cm. Okay, so we have these three, the sides of the triangle. All right. Now, so from here, express the length of the remaining ribbon. Oh, you want the remaining ribbon. So the length of the piece of ribbon, take note, the length of the piece of ribbon is 17 cm. Okay, it is 17 cm. Now, okay. So what is the length of the ribbon used? I always like to draw my model to represent it. So I have 17 cm, 17A. So 5A plus A will give me 6A. So I remove 6A. I'm left with 11A. But from this 11A, put it outside, huh? From this 11A, I still need to remove another 30 cm. Okay, so what is the remaining length? So remaining length, which is this part here, will be 11A minus 30. Okay, so remember, 11A is, the units for 11A is cm. The unit for 30 is also cm. So if you want